This is how I torque down a wheel. So I put my gun to the lowest setting. I put my smallest torque stick on it. And just give it a couple bumps. Just like that. And I'm not going to show both wheels because that's pointless, but I set the parking brake. If the parking brake doesn't work, put the vehicle down slightly, just enough to where the wheels are touching. I'm really paranoid about wheel offs. It's something I don't really want to happen to anybody. I'm not even going to tell you what the torque spec is, because on this vehicle and your vehicle may be different. I set my torque, and like I said, the wheel's not moving now. I try to put the least amount of vehicle weight on that hub. Now the reason I use the yellow is there's just no way I'm going to over torque it, especially with the gun turned all the way down. That way I can focus all the torque tightening on the actual torque wrench. Aluminum wheels, I find that they do kind of, I don't know if you want to call it flex, but you kind of have to go over it multiple times. All the vehicle weights down. I do one last, and it's usually not going to move, but like I said, a little paranoid, and it's not going to hurt. It's okay to be OCD with, well, you know, safety stuff. And always turn your torque wrench always down to the lowest setting, all the way off. I've had this torque wrench for 30 years. And that's how you tighten a wheel. A lot of guys at shops, I've been to tire shops, all they do is specify in tires, and they use them torque sticks, and they're like, you know, I mean, hammering it down. That is not what you're supposed to do. It takes no time at all to do that. You can guarantee the safety.